Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer schema markup using Google Tag Manager, detailed guide step by. To transfer schema markup using Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Navigate to the appropriate container for your website. Next, click on the Tags section in the left-hand menu. Select the New button to create a new tag. Choose a tag type from the options provided. For schema markup, select Custom HTML. In the HTML text area, input your schema markup code. Ensure your schema markup is properly formatted for the type of content you are marking up. Now, scroll down to the triggering section. Click on Triggering to choose when this tag should fire. Select an appropriate trigger, such as all pages or a custom trigger based on your preferences. After selecting your trigger, click Save to finalize the tag setup. Next, click on the Variables option in the left-hand menu. Make sure your necessary variables are set up for use in your schema markup. If you need to use additional variables, create them by clicking New and configuring them as needed. Once you've confirmed your variables, return to your tag and double-check your code and triggers. Now it's time to test your tag. Click on the Preview button in the top right corner to enter the preview mode. Open your website in a new tab while the preview mode is active. Check if the tag is firing correctly by inspecting the Google Tag Manager debug console. If the tag fires as expected, go back to the Google Tag Manager interface. Click on the Submit button to publish your changes. Add a descriptive version name and optional notes about the changes you made. Click Publish to make the changes live. Finally, verify the implementation by using Google's structured data testing tool. Input your website URL or the specific page where you added the schema markup. Check if the schema markup appears correctly without any errors. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred schema markup using Google Tag Manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.